Hey guys, it's Greg and Chad from Common Man Bagger. Today we're going to be putting a Tour-Pak rack on a 2012 Road Glide Custom.
Remember to like and subscribe, and also check out our new podcast.
Available on all platforms. Alright, so to start off, you want to place your rack on the back of the bike to get the positioning. We used furniture pads to make it so it didn't scratch the bike. There's two ways of thinking of this. You can either put it as close to the back of the seat as you want, or you can put it towards the back of the Tour-Pak so that it's flush. We're going to do it more towards the back of the backrest. We're going to use some frog tape to protect the paint. You want to make sure you do this so that way when you're drilling you do not crack the paint. Next, position the rack on the Tour-Pak. You want to get it to just about where you want it, and then you're going to measure it out to make sure that it's square on all sides. Next, have a helper push down on the rack. This will prevent it from sliding. Use a marker and trace the base of each leg. Next, take a ruler or measuring tape and find the center of each circle. When you've done all 4 posts, be sure to go back through and double check your measurements. Remember, you want to measure twice and only drill once in this project. So Greg is going to use a 5/64 drill bit, and he's going to run the drill in reverse to make a pilot hole.
And then it goes forward.
And then he'll run it forward to go through. Drill a pilot hole for each location. Remember to run the drill in reverse at first to get through the paint. Then run it in forward to go through the plastic. After your pilot holes are drilled, we stepped up to a medium-sized drill bit. Ultimately, you want to use a 1/4-inch drill bit for this project. So the next step is to remove the painter's tape.
And then stepping up, make those screw holes nicer.
Next, gather your 4 bolts. They should have a metal washer and a plastic washer. Plastic washer goes on the side towards the Tour-Pak. Have a second person place the rack on the Tour-Pak. Then have the first person slide the bolt through and then simply turn and it should go right into place. We use blue Loctite to secure the screws. Once all 4 of your bolts are tightened, be sure to vacuum up any debris that's in your Tour-Pak. This completes the installation. Alright guys, so final thought. I've actually had this rack for about 2 years. I bought it on eBay and I was always kind of hesitant about putting it on. After doing the install, it's really not that hard. Just make sure you measure it twice, cut once, use that painter's tape, start your drill in reverse so it makes a little bites into the paint and then you actually catch the plastic. And then just send it in forward and it goes right through. So we ended up using as our final drill bit for this piece, it was the 1/4-inch drill bit. Everything went together very nicely. I did put blue Loctite on it so that way it doesn't jiggle loose. You may or may not want to put blue Loctite on it, but that's what I did. I didn't use red, so it should be good. But I'm super happy with this. I'm actually going to use it for my camera equipment. We're going to Tennessee in a couple weeks, and I bought a bag for this, and I'm very, very happy. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out the podcast. Thanks.